In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and save your watched issues in Jira Cloud. If you subscribe to important bug reports, stories, or infrastructure tasks, it's easy to lose track of them in the middle of a busy workspace. The good news is that Jira gives you a simple way to pull those watched issues into one clear view, and even save that view so you can come back to it anytime. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian Cloud site. If needed, sign in through the Atlassian login page using your own account. Once the main Jira homepage loads, take a moment to make sure everything is displaying correctly. This confirms you're in the right workspace and ready to navigate. Next, look at the top navigation bar. This is where Jira keeps many of your personal shortcuts and work-related menus. Find the option labeled Your Work and click it once. A drop-down menu will appear with several helpful views tied to your account activity. From that menu, choose Watched. This is the fastest way to jump directly to the issues you're currently watching. Jira will then display a focused list of those items, making it much easier to review updates without digging through unrelated boards or project pages. If you want more control over how those watched issues are displayed, move to the search area at the top right and click the search bar. From there, select View All Issues. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press G and then I. This opens the full issue search screen, which is useful when you want to sort, filter, or organize results in a more advanced way. Once the issue search view opens, switch into JQL mode by clicking Switch to JQL, or by selecting the code icon if that appears in your layout. In the query field, type the following exactly. Watcher equals current user. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and status does not equal done order by updated DST. Then press enter. This query shows watched issues assigned to your account's watch list, excludes completed items, and sorts everything by the most recently updated first, which is especially helpful when you're monitoring active work. When the results look right, save the filter so you don't have to rebuild it later. Click Save Filter near the top of the page, enter a clear name for the filter, and click Save again. Finally, review the results table and make sure the columns, assignees, and status labels appear clearly. Once that's done, you'll have a reliable personal dashboard for tracking watched Jira issues more efficiently. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.